Quality restoration of something like the Eliminator boat this steering wheel belongs to requires custom lacing finesse. E Squared Saddlery would like to share tips on how to lace the steering wheel to create a professional custom appearance. This is the Eliminator steering wheel. Some lacing is previously started to show how this will evolve. Note that it has 4 spokes, and on the back side it has knobs to enhance gripping. For these knobs to show and be felt, a good stretch of the leather wrap is essential. Completed lacing on the spokes and on the run, or length of the wheel circumference, will look like what you see here. But first, what materials, how to measure, create a pattern, are necessary steps. Superior tools and materials yield superior products. Begin with measuring the wheel exterior circumference and spoke dimensions. Also measure gap between spokes and spoke circumference. Create a pattern for visualizing your process before you cut into your valuable materials. The finished wheel will have stitching of kangaroo lace forming the top grain cowhide garment, leather to give a luxurious feeling wheel to cover this Eliminator boat. Measurements in hand and double check to select the material you will use. This is what being covered in the same quality charcoal gray cowhide as will be used for other saddlery products. Once cut, the strip of leather is checked for fit before details are added like tabs for spokes and where holes or slots are punched for lacing. Try a test scrap piece to verify your wrap is fitted before going further. You will see this scrap piece again in the lacing section. It is configured to overlap around the wheel and around the spokes about 1/2 centimeter or 1/2 inch, or 1/4 inch. Your holes or slots needed to allow the leather do not gap, although the leather your lace will hide the seamed edges as you lace the wheel up. This is my pattern. Bold lines are cut edges of leather. Dotted lines are slotted holes made with a punch sized to the width kangaroo lace used. With your leather cut, lay out a plan of where to punch holes. Do this before making them. A multiple slotted punch sized for the width of lace works best for making a long straight run of holes through leather for a lacing project. Using a sharp punch sized correct and thrusting guide marks, making the holes with an appropriate poundo board under your work. Also use a rawhide hammer not metal hammer to avoid damage to your punch. The next step is to begin lacing. As with the wrap material selection, this product uses the finest materials. While the cowhide was U.S. sourced material, for this product a kangaroo lace is used to sew. Kangaroo is both thin or lightweight and has great tensile strength. This lace is black 1/8 inch. And white linen thread is an example of the lacing pattern that will be shown how to do in the next video. Note the pattern in front on the spoke, and by contrast, note the X pattern on back of the spoke. Both will be demonstrated in the next video of the series.